Okay, what's up guys? Today we're back and today I'm gonna be getting ready for a photo shoot. I'm just not getting ready to get ready. I'm getting ready for a reason. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. And yeah, this is what I'm wearing. I'm gonna include a clip before or after this of what I'm wearing. And then I'm gonna include the photo shoot too, if I can remember. Okay, so this outfit possibilities. Either the dark brown or the light brown skirt. Well, the light brown is really a dress, but I'm gonna make it a skirt. And then this top. Okay, so makeup. I'm gonna go a little fast because I gotta hurry up and get ready. And then my dorm is having a whole little grill downstairs, and they're playing music, so hopefully y'all can't hear that. Yeah. Let me do my skincare really quick. Okay, so I'm probably just not gonna talk about what I'm using because I gotta hurry up. So it's probably gonna be a whole time lapse. But yeah, the photo shoot is supposed to be a fair theme photo shoot with me and my friends, and my friend Lily is gonna be the one taking the pictures, and I helped her a little bit. I helped her make the crowns and stuff. So that's what it's all gonna be. And I should have did my toner first, but yeah, that's all this was gonna be. And we were gonna do wings, but this the last week of school. Well, today is the last day of school, so we didn't have enough time to make them. But yeah, I'm excited. This is my first time ever doing a photo shoot, and I'm just wondering what the rose water's on there. It looks like this, but you should get that first. I'm rushing. Well, I already put some on this morning, so that's good enough. Not too much on my forehead because with this hair, it gets sweaty. Oh my god. Now let's do a little bit of moisturizer, and then I'm gonna do foundation today. I'm doing a full look today. I might not do eyeshadow because of time, but I'm supposed to be doing a full face. So we're gonna see how that looks today. And I should do my eyebrows, but you can't even see them. I just have my hair covered my eyebrows. It's not that serious. Really is serious, but I'm not gonna stress myself out. Foundation I use is Attention Moisturizer from ColourPop in the shade, I think it's 24N. So if you're on my color, then try 24N. And I should have powdered before I did my foundation, but it's okay, it's okay. And I don't want this to look cakey, but I'm adding a lot. It will be okay, but I'm adding a lot because I don't want any dark marks to show. Right here and right here. That's why I do foundation. So yeah, maybe don't add as much as you need because I'm just getting carried away, but yeah. Now, maybe I should blend it out a little bit. I'm gonna blend it out a little bit. I usually don't. I just let it dry like this. But maybe I should. It's just taking it off, I feel like. But I need some of it taken off. Okay, it took some of it off. Okay, now let's do concealer. Y'all already know what concealer I'm using. Contour. If you're new and you don't know what I'm using, then it's in my other video. And this is just a lipstick. The contour I recommend is Fenty. And my shade in that is Espresso, and then the one after that one I can use too, like for a little more depth, but it's kind of a little too dark for like every day. So blend out my contour. And I blend against my cheeks like that, so it kind of gives it more shape instead of just like that, like going down. I have something to show with this out of my face because I literally just cannot see. Now it's time to blend out my concealer. Yeah. And I used the wrong thing.
Oh God, you should match it, it's that KO. No white lighter, still I fuck my 28th up. 1998, my family had the Acura. Oh, the ledge back on Boswell and Percy had it active. Couple bishops in the city building mansions. Oh,
Do y'all think this is good coverage? I'm trying to get it good, like photo shoot good, you know, because cameras see everything. So now I'm gonna add the lighter one. Under, I'm just add a little bit of brown eyeshadow and give me a little brown smoky eye. So okay, now this powder, and we're gonna do the light one first.
everyday patches then better. Oh God, you should match it, it's that KO. No white lighter, still I fuck my 28th up. 1998, my family had the Acura.
Probably gonna take her a while to edit them. She's probably not gonna edit them by tomorrow when I post this video. So if she doesn't, then I'll just include the final pictures. Cute. I make it super matte, and then my setting spray is super dewy, and I'm gonna be there for a minute. So I need it to, you know, stay good and fresh for a while. Okay, now let's do the brown and then we're gonna do blush. Perfect. Now let's move on to blush and powder concealer. This is going quick. Only took me about maybe 10 minutes now. It's good time. It's just 5:30. I said I'm gonna be done at 5:30, but I guess not. I should probably did blush first, but come on, and I'm loving it here. Come on here. Come on, Afro. Oh, that's right. The nose is gonna be a nose. I have black dark marks on my nose. It's always gonna be here. I don't care. So it will be okay. Now let's move on to blush. Pink and orange blush like last time. And I can't see about adding too much blush, but I know it's on here, so. little more blush is good. It's showing up on camera, but not in person. Well, maybe it'll show up on camera in the photo shoot. As I say, it's add more blush. Okay, and now we're going to do, let's do eyeshadow. A little bit of eyeshadow. I might do some gold. I'm just gonna do brown and then maybe some gold. I do have green, so I might add some green. Can y'all see it? They not even gonna be able to see my stuff in the pictures. This one's a little blotchy, but it will be okay. This one's a little too much. I don't think so about it. It will be okay. Why I keep saying that? Okay, now let's do shimmer. And I guess I'm going to do green. The green shimmer. Let me put this oil up before I waste it all over myself. Should I do like a green, like cat eye in a corner? I'm gonna try it. And my crown is brown, so. That's kind of editorial. It won't follow that I wanted to, but it's cute. Period. This is cute. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Now let's do some highlight, and I'm just gonna use this brush because I don't feel like using my hands. This is a Fenty highlighter, the white one. Can y'all even see it? Period. Now lips. I'm gonna just line it with a dark eyeshadow. And I have a sharper under eye. Period. Let's powder my lips. I'm doing the liner first. Okay, so now I'm gonna do liner. Then I'm probably gonna put some earrings on. I have gold ones. Now it's powder it. The top is a little darker than the bottom, but I kind of like the little, you know, what's he called? The JT lip look where it's brown and black. That might not be fit for this look, but I'm gonna do it anyway. Period. Trying to put some powder on the lips. to set it. Okay, I'm back, and all I did was put on heat. I actually like it. I tried it in my last vlog. Okay, so I'm ready. I need to pick up my hair a little bit. Put some stuff in my hair in this bathroom, and I should be ready to go.
Your apartment, I didn't use since while I waited. Staying with you when I didn't have a address. Fucking on you when I didn't own a mattress. Working on a way to make it out of Texas. Every night. And baby, I've been hungry for my night. You know I can hear nothing, spend the night. My gosh, wanna see the run up, don't wanna die. Yeah. Wanna feel it on it, you can buy. But with me at the marsh, if you know the boys wanna see me go down, gon' die, stressed out, every day. Shut the fuck up, I don't want your conversation. Wanna let the
Hey, I'm gonna fuck up.
Well, you can crop these pictures too, can't you?
No, she said I like the coat, so I had to change mine.
Really, this would be this good. Ready?
Does it look bad?
No, it look good.
We're fine. Come on, that was it. Come on.
Ready?
Bless you.
We will still be friends forever. Hey! Will you shut the fuck up and let me sing?